Hello everyone, and welcome to Woman Habit 84. Hope everyone is having a blessed day so far. So I just wanted to come on here real quick, show you all what I purchased from the Coach outlet. So this is the new Jude bag, you all, and this bag was amongst the new release that Coach dropped. So this is in the signature coated canvas. So I will get into the detailing of this bag. So the length that is on this bag is 9 inches. The height of this bag is 10.5. The width of this bag is 5.75. And the material that is on this bag is in that refined leather fabric lining. And the shoulder strap is adjustable with 21 for the shoulder or crossbody wear. So this is a lovely bag right here, you all. So let's get into this bag. Let's look over this bag. So this is the front of the bag. You do have that Coach Gold hardware right here. And this bag, you can wear it, crossbody style, or you could just wear it on your shoulder. And it do, this strap, you can adjust this strap to your liking as well. So this is the bottom of the bag. And this is the back of the bag. So you do have a zipper back pocket right back here in that brown interior. So this is the side of the bag, and you have that leather strip going down the side of this bag. You also have that brown Coach tab right here. And on this side, you have the leather strip going down on this side as well. And the tag is says signature Jude bag in that tan and brown. So this is the new brown that is on this bag. And I'm loving the leather that is on the bottom of this bag. So so this is the top of the bag. You do have that zipper closure. Okay, and so this is how the inside is looking. Okay, so you have that brown interior in the inside. So you do have a back zipper pocket back here. And you just have the Coach booklet. Okay, and you do have a slip pocket right here on the front of the bag. You also have the coachlet little tag right here. So so I'm loving the inside material. Okay, so yes. And so this bag right here is similar to the duffel bag that Coach brought out some years ago. So the difference between the Jude and the duffel bag is that they have the leather going around the this bag, and they have the gold zipper pull. So the duffel bag has the greatest zipper pull, and it don't have the leather going around the bag. So yes, but other than that, this bag is identical to the duffel bag. So I did purchase the larger wristlet to go with this bag. And it has that same interior in the wristlet, and you have your 2 credit card slots. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased is this bill folder in that same signature print. And it has that leather. And the inside, that same brown leather. So you have the Coach right here. You have your credit card slots right here. You do have a slot right here and a slot right here. And you also have your money slot right here. You do have a zipper compartment right here. So you can put your coins right here as well. So yeah, so this is what I purchased from the outlet on today, you all. So if you all enjoyed this haul that I showed you all on today, hit that like, hit that share. Make sure you subscribe to Woman Happy 84. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.